Hey guys, so we're just back from Weatherspoon. We also went to a few other shops with Roberta as well because Roberta wanted to waste time. And look at the time now, it's 14:57 and our train's only in half an hour because Roberta wasted time, and now I'm only going to see 3 trains, which is quite sad, but it was Roberta's fault.
Yeah.
It's time to go through the barriers. No. Okay.
That was the right one.
We've just got through the barriers and it's the 1507 Tronic Lane. There's also a 1519 to Glasgow Queen Street. And then after that's the Dundee train, but that's too close. So here we are at the station, now walking onto platform 3, the disused platform. So yeah, here we are at Dundee. It's Perth, not Dundee. I just thought about Dundee and then it's actually Perth. We are the 1525 ScotRail service departing at platform 5 to Edinburgh. And that's our 17393 over there, but it's not started boarding yet, so we'll have to wait. So guys, the expected train is not until 15:13 and it's 15:01 right now, so we've got about 12 minutes before that train arrives. So this is Dundee Station. Platform 1 is for trains usually to Glasgow Queen Street and Edinburgh if services are diverted, and platform 2 for trains to Dundee, Arbroath, Aberdeen and Inverness via Aberdeen, including Inverurie as well, and platform 3 is not used for anything, but platform 4 is used for Glasgow Queen Street and Edinburgh services. Platform 5 and 6 are the exact same, and platform 7 is used for services to Inverness and onwards to Elgin, because some Glasgow Queen Street trains terminate there, but it's probably a Sunday that they do. Got a wee train over there, looks quite nice. I'll take a picture of that to put it into my photo diary. So yeah, this is Perth Station. These are the old stairs here, and this is the new bridge that's been built at the station. Just because it's just new, and I don't know why they built it. It's just because it's a busy station. Not hardly anyone uses the station. It's so quiet. Hopefully we can go back here on the end of the summer holidays with Owen and Andy on a Friday, and we can film some more trains and buses at the bus station, because there is a Perth bus station that we passed on our way to Weatherspoon. So I'm just going to have a wee seat here. And talking about Owen and Andy, they can't make it this Friday because Owen's going to an appointment about his leg because he just broke it. So hopefully he can meet up with us next Friday, not this Friday coming up. And of course there's another cute train over there. So yeah, this is Perth railway station. And believe it or not, why is there so many bridges? There's like 1, 2, 3, 4.
Edinburgh is delayed by approximately 5 minutes.
Shut
due
up!
to a late running train being in front of this one. Please listen for further announcements.
I hate that announcer saying the 1507. This has been the 3rd time she said it. So yeah, this is Perth Station, and yeah, so I'm just gonna walk up to this bridge to see what the view is like, because why not? We can just walk up this bridge after when we see the 1590 intercity service from Aberdeen to Glasgow Queen Street, and after that we'll probably walk over this bridge down onto platform 5 and then board our train. So that's probably what we'll do. So yeah, the view is quite nice. I'll take a screenshot of both ends of the station like this. Just take a screenshot there and a screenshot here and a screenshot here, and that is perfect. And I love this very new bridge. It's got 3 lifts and 3 stairs connecting platforms 1, 2, 3, 4 and 5. We can't connect to platforms 6 and 7, brah. Okay, arriving in now is a terminating ScotRail service from Edinburgh Waverley. This works by 158717, terminating on platform 6. And there's that train arriving. Okay, arriving in now is the delayed 1507 ScotRail service from Inverness to Edinburgh Waverley, works by HST. Here it comes. Says it's expected to depart at 15:19. It's only 15:14 right now, so I think it'll depart a bit earlier. But it might depart late in case it takes ages boarding passengers. It's a 43-1 and a -0, I think. And there it is. Okay, departing out now is the delayed 1507 ScotRail service from Inverness to Edinburgh Waverley, departing at 15:17 when it should have departed at 15:19. Off it goes. '43-132 is at the front. And it's not a -0, but it's 43-125. The 15:19 probably has a -0 and a -1. Shut up. It's already left. Arriving in now is the 15:19 ScotRail service from Aberdeen to Glasgow Queen Street, works by 43035. I was right, that's at the front.
This train is formed of 5 carriages.
And there it is, just arriving. Okay, it's time to get on board the train. And I'll have to check real-time trains for what the back of that 43 is. As you can see, it's leaving. So I'm just going to head down the ramp to see the rear. The rear is 43-145. Now let's head to the platform. Time to get on board. Free table. Okay guys, we are now departing Perth and making our way back to South Gyle, which will arrive at 16:46. We'll see you at South Gyle, guys.